I need a test pens. I have one, but we need to organize them, and that's gonna be our video today. So you're gonna see what I got, and we're gonna progress from one to be able to have 3 graphical tests on the same time. That's what we're gonna do, guys, and we're gonna do everything our regular intro like we normally do. I'll see you after this. Alright guys, so we are back, and like I say, we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna switch the camera directly to that section, and what you're gonna see gonna be a complete time lesson, and that's what we're gonna be in this video. And then at the end of the video I'm gonna talk a little bit. And guys, if you like my content, please just subscribe to the channel, press that like button, that bell. That's gonna help out my channel to increase it. I don't do any right now, and I've been doing any Amazon affiliate or any stuff like that, trying to just grow up the channel a little bit more. And after that we're gonna do a lot of stuff. Also I had to do some giveaway, but I don't think it's the right moment right now. Even I asked people before to comment on the video, they still not doing it sometimes, and sometimes just get like a few people. They normally want they coming back and forth, but I would like to have it like more people comment, so that way I can get really, I can, if I'm gonna give you something, I'm gonna give you to, give you more opportunity to other people to get it. All right, without further ado, we're just gonna go to the time lapse thing, and you're just gonna see that in a second. Alright guys, so as you guys can see in it, we're already done with installation. I hope so you guys like the time lapse, and also you guys subscribe to my channel too. And one of the things we did is I had to take down the driver because Windows always gonna get the late driver from NVIDIA and put on my graphic card. So I had to step that down. As you guys can see, I didn't have to do any cleaner driver. I just went straight out, do a new installation, and the system taking it. It's because the way I set up my Windows 10. So most of you gonna have to go and get the fully remove NVIDIA driver out of the system. Then after that, you guys can go and do fresh new installation. On my case, I just only have to run the driver because I don't allow the system to register anything or keep it in stock. As soon as I just want to roll out something back, I'll be able to do it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you to one of my next episodes. I hope you are enjoying it. We're trying to be putting more content out, and I see you into the next one.